I'll be honest, cleaning is not something I look forward to.
Between filming, editing, and just daily life, it's one of those chores I tend to push off until the floors start bothering me. And when I finally get around to it, I end up dragging out 2 or 3 different tools, a vacuum, a mop, something else, just to cover the carpet and my kitchen, hard floor. So it's a hassle. But when Dreame sent me their new H15 Pro CarpetFlex, I figured if this thing can actually handle everything in one go, I'm all in. And honestly, it kinda does. It's not just a wet dry vacuum. It's built to deep clean both hard floors and carpets with one machine, and it's made cleaning feel way less like a chore. The first thing you'll notice is the power. With 23,000 pascals of suction, it pulls up debris buried deep in the carpet fibers, and when you swap over to the hard floor brush, it picks up wet messes like milk or coffee in a single pass. That's thanks again to the dual brush system, one for carpets, one for hard floors, so you're not wasting time switching devices. And speaking of carpet cleaning, here's some more footage of the H15 Pro CarpetFlex in action, picking up some crumbs and pet hair like it's nothing. Again, that 23,000 pascals of suction power really shows, especially in the turbo mode, which you can engage, which helps, again, pick up everything really quickly. I also decided to put it to test on some hard floor in my kitchen once again, picking up some spilled Coke Zero. Again, it's gone in an instant. And I really did a number on my floor with some soy milk that I use in my cereal. This is a very real scenario that could happen. And again, it's just wonderful. I will never use a traditional mop ever again. And with its integrated Glide Wheel 2.0 system, it even helps you move it around. Instead of fighting against the vacuum, it almost pushes itself forward, so it makes the whole experience smoother and a lot more satisfying. Moving on here though, most vacuums kick dust back into the air, especially when you empty them. Dreame's MistLock dust control fixes that by spraying a fine mist that traps dust and turns it into wet debris before it escapes. So instead of that puff of dust every time you dump into the bin, you just pour out dirty water. If you've got allergies, pets, or you just hate that musty vacuum smell, this makes a big difference. When you're done cleaning though, you hit one button and it runs a 212 Fahrenheit hot water wash through the system, followed by a 194 Fahrenheit hot air drying. It cleans the brush, the pipes, everything, and then dries it completely so there's no odor or damp smell left behind. There's a 5-minute quick cycle or a deeper 20-minute one depending on how messy things got. It's the kind of detail that makes it easy to keep clean because it does most of the work for you. If you have pets, this is the part you'll appreciate the most. The TangleCut 2.0 system uses denser comb teeth that slice through hair as it spins so the roller doesn't get jammed or wrapped up in fur. And once again, like earlier, I tested it out on some pet hair from my cats and had 0 tangles after a full cleaning session. It's one of those small but satisfying upgrades that just makes so much sense. The H15 Pro CarpetFlex also adds a few smart touches that make it more practical day to day. There's an LED display with voice prompts, an RGB dirt sensor that adjusts suction automatically, and a 180-degree lie flat design that lets you clean under furniture without crouching. It runs for about an hour on a charge, and the freshwater system keeps the mop clean as it goes, so you're never just spreading dirty water around. It's that kind of thoughtful design that makes it feel like it came from people who actually clean their own homes. All in all though, the Dreame H15 Pro CarpetFlex is one of the most complete cleaning systems I've tested so far. It's powerful, hygienic, easy to maintain, and is actually enjoyable to use. Between the dual mop setup, MistLock dust control, and that self-cleaning system, it's basically the vacuum that takes care of itself. So if you've been looking for one machine that can handle both wet and dry messes, carpet, tile, hardwood, this might be the one. I'll leave a link down below to the Dreame H15 Pro CarpetFlex if you want to check it out.
And that about wraps things up. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you to Dreame for supporting the channel here, and expect more content from me about iPad, Mac, iPhone 17 specifically, and more soon. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.